Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to change the way you think about web design because we're not writing a single line of code. We're using the power of Flute AI to create a complete professional website from start to finish just by describing what we want. That's right. No templates, no complex setup, no coding headaches. You simply tell the AI what you have in mind, maybe a portfolio, a landing page, or even a small business site, and it literally builds it for you. I'm going to show you every step from writing your first prompt to customizing your layout, editing content, and publishing your website live on the internet, all in just a few minutes. So grab your coffee, open the first link in the description, and follow along. And if you find this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss the next one. Now let's jump right in and start creating with AI. So guys, this is Flute's official website. The first thing that you're going to do is open the first link down below in the description box of this video and create your Flute account. Once you're in, you'll see this dashboard. Right at the center, we have our text input area. This is where we're going to describe the app that we want to build. It could be any app idea that you have in mind. But here's the thing. If you want to get the best results and actually create your dream app with AI, it's super important to write a clear and detailed prompt. Your prompt should describe everything: the features, the sections, the animations, and even the overall theme and colors of your app. To make things easier, I've already prepared a detailed example prompt that you can use or edit for your own idea. You'll find the link to that prompt down below in the description box of this video. But let's say you have a different website idea and want to generate a new prompt specifically for that project. In that case, you can use ChatGPT to create it. Just open ChatGPT and explain your website idea, what the site is about, what it should do, and who it's for. Then ask something like, what kind of features and sections are necessary for this website? At the end, tell ChatGPT that you plan to use an AI-powered website builder tool to create this project, and you need a fully detailed prompt to achieve the best result. This way, you can quickly get a complete and well-structured prompt for any project idea in your head. Now, this prompt I'm going to use says, create a modern, futuristic e-commerce website called Mind Market, a digital marketplace for self-growth tools like planners, habit trackers, affirmations, soundscapes, and templates. Use a black background with gradient accents on buttons, borders, and highlights. Add soft spotlight effects for depth. It also describes all the sections like the header, hero section, marketplace, featured collections, blog, testimonials, and finally, the footer. Great. Now let's copy the whole prompt and head back to flute.com, then paste it right here. After that, select the Build button. Flute AI immediately gets to work and starts the generating process by installing the needed dependencies. Then it begins building the project for us, from the front end to the back end, creating everything needed for the starting point of a full-stack app. And it's done generating. Look what we have here: a nice hero section with a slick, well-designed header that even has a dark and light mode toggle button, and it works perfectly. Let's take a look at the other sections of our website. We have our AI mood recommender section with different modes that we can see as labels at the top of the cards. Really nice design. As we scroll down, we see different sections aligned really well. In the images of our cards, there's a bit of repetition, which is totally normal since we have so many cards. I'll show you how you can easily fix that using Flute's awesome tools. Here we have our testimonials and finally the footer. Now, to make changes in our website, we have two really helpful tools: Selector and Annotate. Let's use Selector first. Using this tool, you can target any specific section or element on your website. So let's use this feature to enhance our hero section by adding a spotlight image to its background. Try to select the whole hero section. As you can see, our homepage is now attached as the target section. First, I'll go ahead and upload the image that I want to use. Next, I'll say, place the attached image underneath all elements in the hero section without changing the existing background color. That's it. Now let's hit the send button, and Flute will start applying the changes that we asked for. And there we have it. It looks amazing. Let's see it in light mode. Great. Now, the next option you can use to develop your website even further is the ability to add additional pages for any features your app might need. For example, you see these labels in our header: shop, blog, and about. But when we click on one of these, like shop, we get an error that says, this page is not yet created. Right below that, we have an option that says Create. This gives us the ability to add a brand new shop page to our app. You can either go ahead and add your own content for the page or simply click the Create Page button to let the AI figure out what should be included on this shop page. So I'll add a bit of content and select the Create Page button. It usually takes about a minute to complete. And there we go. We have a nice title with labeled product categories. Below the labels, we can see that the spotlight image from our hero section has been reused here, which looks good, but it takes up too much space between the labels and the product cards. So to fix that, we're using one of the most powerful features of Flute AI, the Annotate tool. It captures a screenshot of your current site view and lets you highlight any area you want to modify simply by circling it. In this case, I'll use it to remove this image along with the empty space beside it. I'll select this whole area, and inside the text input, I'll type, remove this image and this gap between the product cards and hero. Then let's hit the send button, and let's see if the AI is smart enough to understand our request and apply the changes. And there we go. Really amazing, right? Now, let's say on our homepage, a user is exploring the website and wants to purchase one of our products. As you can see, these add to cartons don't work yet, and we don't even have a shopping cart icon. But no worries, we can easily add this feature using the annotate option again. So let's target our add to cart button, and inside the input box, I'll say, add interactive add to cart functionality to all product cards. When a user clicks the add to cart button, instantly change the button text to added for 2 to 3 seconds with a smooth glow or checkmark animation. Update the cart icon in the header with a small badge showing the total number of items in the cart. Display a small toast notification saying, product name added to your cart, with 2 buttons, View Cart and Continue Shopping. Save cart data in local storage so it stays even after refreshing or navigating between pages. If the user adds another item, increment the count and update the mini cart. Keep all animations smooth and minimal, matching the dark gradient theme of the main site. That's it. Now let's test it out. We are in the shop page now. To make sure all of our add to cart buttons work, let's test one here. And yes, as you can see, it says Daily Focus Planner added to cart. We now have one item added in our shopping cart icon. Next, let's try the same thing on our home page. And yes, it works perfectly. Now, if we click on our shopping cart icon, we see this page again. Here, let's select the Create button, and this time we'll leave it to the AI. With an empty input text box, we just click Create Page, and Flute AI will analyze the situation and come up with a nice shopping cart page for us. This way, this can keep developing your website, and as you can see, there are no limits. You can add as many pages, features, and animations as you want just by chatting with AI. And the best part is, as we add new options to our project, the AI automatically creates and updates our backend for us. Now, speaking of the backend, let's take a quick look at our database. Here you can see the database structure for our digital marketplace project. Each table is well organized and easy to manage. For example, this one is called Blog Posts, and it stores all the information related to our website's blog section. We have columns like ID, title, excerpt, content, image URL, and author. This clean and structured setup allows Flute to automatically connect and display all of this data on your website without you having to write a single line of backend code. So not only are we building a complete front end using AI, but we're also getting a fully functional database that's ready for dynamic content, all handled automatically by Flute. And not only the database, below the database, we also have the uploads icon where we can see all the images that we've uploaded to use on our website. And here's something really cool. We even have access to the full source code of our project. This is super helpful, especially for developers who might want to customize certain parts of the website manually or integrate it with other tools. Once you're done and happy with the result, you can simply go ahead and publish your website live on the internet. To do that, just select this publish icon on the top right of the page. Here, enter your domain name. I'll go with Mind Market as the name of the app, and then select Publish Now. This process usually takes about a minute, and once it's done, it will provide us with a live link to our website. And just like that, our AI-generated website is complete, fully responsive, beautifully designed, and built entirely with the power of AI. Now it's your turn. Click the first link in the description below and give Flute AI a try. It's beginner-friendly, incredibly powerful, and the perfect tool to bring your web design ideas to life without writing a single line of code. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss the next AI web design tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.